Good morning, you guys. So yeah, we got some more red. This is exactly what we want, what we're looking for. Um, the reason we want this red, I know it might sound counterintuitive, but um, or I don't know if that's the right saying, but I know it might, go against your natural instinct to not want to see the red. But the red's good, especially if you know that the green is coming soon, right? And so if the green is coming soon, then you want to see red because you want to buy in the red at the bottom when it's the cheapest, when your dollar is going to go the furthest per, you know, coin that you get, and you're going to make the most X's. And really, I don't think people will understand until they get into crypto how important it is to get in at the bottom, um, for all those big gains. I mean, shoot, probably why in stocks and stuff, the first investors get in at the very, very bottom and they get in the most. You make absolutely the most money, and so getting in the bottom just exponentially increases your multipliers as your coin goes from, say, 5 cents, a mere 5 cents, to 3 cents, $5, or sorry, $2, maybe $5, $10, who knows. So, and if you're going from 3 to 5 cents all the way to $4, man, that's huge. That's huge gains. So, Fox right now. So I was looking at these two new tokens that I found that I wanted to talk about today that I like. I saved them here on my phone. So let me see really quick. And we're actually going to do the research today here on the video. So let's see. I go to my watch list. I'm going to scroll down. Okay. So it's DNT and MDT. Okay. They're both up right now, 10 and 6%, but still nothing for their price. So let's see here. DNT. So I'm going to have to do some more research on this one, but already off the bat, I like what I see here. Only a 1 billion supply. Not very much at all. Scarce supply. With a 46 million market cap only. Not bad. Looks good. And let's see here what it says they do. Let's go to Coinbase. All right. So District0x is an Ethereum token that powers a network of decentralized marketplaces and communities called districts. The token is required for application to the district registry and is used to signal support or disapproval for proposals made by network participants. Okay? So it's used, I guess, to help or disapprove things on the network that they have, basically. District is a platform that enables users to establish their own decentralized platforms known as districts. These districts are governed by a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO structure providing a framework for a wide array of potential use cases. The district. So that sounds cool. You know, um, seems like it has a good idea for it. You know, a good use case, decentralized platforms. Sure, that's what that's crypto. So that is, there's some use case for this, I think. And I think it'll probably go up in price with the bull run. Of course, it's on Coinbase. It's a micro cap. It's got a small supply. This thing will for sure freaking run, I think. Look at that. I'm even matching their website. So let's go. Welcome to District0x. It says stay up to date on progress by subscribing to push notifications. So they're on it. I like how it says team and transparency. District0x was founded in February 2017 with the goal of launching a network of decentralized marketplaces to eliminate rent-seeking, facilitate community-governed economies, and to relinquish third-party data collection. Huh. In recent months, 5 production studios have received contracts to build infrastructure and marketplaces that were outlined in the project roadmap. Most of the project's branding and design work has been conducted by Griffin Design. Huh. Okay. Look into that more. Administrative support and community management has been provided by a strategic advisory consultant service consistent with its decentralized nature. District0x is continuing to work with a broader range of development teams to assist in this. In the first half of 2019, we are opening up the bidding process for work to interested outside parties, accepting proposal teams. Okay. Da-da-da-da. Where is the team? Okay, so they're not showing any pictures of the actual team with names. Well, if you guys want to go through all this, you can. You know where to find it. Just Coinbase DNT. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, so it says District0x is funded by 2 investors. Boost VC and George Berkey are the most recent investors. We are the first check into deep tech. Okay. Interesting. So it says Coinbase right here. I don't know if these are ads or if these are people that they're invested into. Let's see their portfolio, I guess. So I guess this is their portfolio. They have Coinbase, Etherscan. And so these guys, they're also investing in Coinbase and Etherscan. They're also invested into District0x, I guess. So that's cool. I guess they're like a VC, Boost VC. Boost VC is an early stage venture capital firm with 200 million AUM in San Mateo, California, founded by Adam Draper and Brayton Williams. We invest 500K in deep tech, pre-seed startups, aerospace, VR, AR, energy, climate, robotics, crypto, bio, AI, ML, ocean, materials, and more. We target startups raising 2 million or less. So, yeah, these are the two guys. This is the VC that I guess invested recently into District0x. So that's bullish, I would say. Let's see who this is. They do have VC investing. And they're only still at this price. So these guys probably know somewhat of what they're doing, right? They're not going to put their money into this if they think it's a bad investment, I think. But who knows? They could just be shooting shots and hoping they hit. But it doesn't seem like it. They seem like they're a smaller investment firm. They only have so much capital, and they only raise about 2 million or less. So I don't think they're just trying to just throw money around and hoping they hit. So I think they probably are investing in District0x because they see potential in it. Well, there's nothing clear. I don't know if he's if this is a different guy, a baseball player. Maybe this is him. I don't know. But if you guys want to find some more information. Oh, this looks like it's him. So, fintech executive capitalizing on tomorrow's trends. 500 startups grad. Developed first working Bitcoin debit card prototype by MasterCard. Built early crypto exchange, later acquired. Ran second most popular crypto portfolio app. 7-fig ARR, Netflix books. Bootstrapped with 6,500, later acquired. Pioneered first ebook landing service. 100,000 members with 0 spent. Created largest biohacking organization in US. Runs the world's first Bitcoin meetup. So that's this guy. So he seems pretty, well versed in the crypto and Bitcoin world, actually building for crypto and the world, society. He developed first working Bitcoin debit card prototype approved by MasterCard. So this guy is the real deal. And he seems like, it says right here, he's also a most recent investor in District0x. So if he's investing into it and he's this well versed in the crypto world, he's been in it for so long, I'd say that's a pretty good bet. Let's see what else here. De-risking entrepreneurs, founder, Pool.co, CMO, Portal, pioneering crypto back when it was called Bitcoin. So he's an OG. So if he's believing in District0x and investing in it. There's got to be something here, I think. So I think that already right there is enough to possibly place your bet on this crypto. If you have Boost VC, you have George, who is clearly a Bitcoin and crypto OG doing real things with MasterCard, for Bitcoin. He wouldn't be investing in District0x if it was some funny business, fake bullshit. That's the way I basically look at it. So, yeah. Obviously nothing here I say, or none of the things I do, none of the research that I do is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. But if this guy is liking it, then I think that is some bullish news for District0x. Okay. So, like I was going to show you guys, this is the crazy thing, so District0x is only almost 5 cents or so. It's like 4.797, almost reaching 5 cents. So it's still very cheap. And if you look at the chart, if you zoom out, we're actually way down from where we were. And if you zoom out even further, you can see that we haven't even came up from the lows. See how high we were over here in 2021. We've came all the way down. And if you are buying this dip right now that we've recently been having and that we're still in currently for this video right now, this time on 6/22/24, that's the date. You can see it down here at the bottom. Then you're buying the dip possibly before the run up for this bull run coming up. And so this price for 4 cents for what it is, for the market cap being, what was it? 48 million. So under 50 million, only a billion supply. And it seems like the full circulating supply is already out too. So you're getting no dilution. There's no inflation. Seems like a legit project and legit people are investing into it. So yeah, I think this one is a go. I think it's a safe investment. Boom. There's one for you guys. District0x. And it's getting attention. It was trending. It's up. How much is it up right now? It's up 15% for the day. Okay, we had a pump here. That was probably maybe one of these VCs or this George guy investing into it. So, and look at, even after this pump, it went from 4 cents basically to 4.16 to 4.85. It didn't move up very much. Or it actually, so like it moved up 1 cent at the top here, but it's come back down a little and it keeps coming up and down. So, buy one of these little dips right here because it keeps coming up and down, it's trending, it's consolidating like this. Just buy the dip, if you want to, not financial advice. If this is a token you like and it seems promising to you, then cool. That's all I have to say about this one. Now, moving on to the next token. Hope you guys are, you got time for a long video. So we did this research on District0x. I like it. I think it's good. Let me see here. Okay. Now we're going to go on to MDT. Measurable data token. I'm going to try and make this one fast so this video isn't too long. Only a 35 million market cap with a total supply of only 1 billion. Current circulating supply, 676 million. So, also pretty good. Not very much, not too much dilution, but also smaller supply if they don't release any tokens between now and the bull run when you sell. Only 5 cents, about the same price. Beautiful. It's the same supply and almost the same price, but even smaller market cap. Okay? With the less supply, that's why it's about the same price. Or actually, it's a higher price because the supply is less on this one. The other one had the full billion already in circulation. So that's why this one's a little more expensive. So even though it has a smaller market cap. So this one, measurable data token. Let's take a look at it. Tokenomics look good. This one also still pretty much the bottom for the low. It did hit like 13 cents. And then it's retraced all the way back down. And look, we're still flatlined for a long time now. 2021, it had a little mini pump and that was it. And it's still flatlined. So let's take a look at measurable data token. Let's see what's going on. Is this a sleeper? I don't know. Because ABT Arc Block also did the same thing. It slept for all these years and then it boom shot up this year. So let's take a look. Oops. Okay. Okay, so BTX Capital, Draper Dragon, and MetaSense DAO, who are measurable data token investors. BTX. Okay, cool. So that looks promising. Decentralized and open source data value creation ecosystem for AI. For AI. That's crazy. So this has stuff to do with AI. So that's bullish. So control and monetize your data. I get it. Measurable data token. Okay. MDT's consumer-oriented product Reward Me, an app that rewards you for the data you contribute. Ah.
Have you ever thought about how much valuable data you create? Emails, what you search for or buy. Have you ever thought about how much valuable data you create? Emails, what you search for or buy, likes on social media. You generate a ton of data every day. And big tech giants vacuum it all up and then sell it to all sorts of buyers. But while you're providing important consumer behavior data, you don't get anything in return.
Okay.
Measurable Data Token wants to change that. MDT is a decentralized data exchange platform that rewards you for the data you contribute. Once you opt in, your data is anonymized, aggregated, and exchanged as big data. And our platform creates smart contracts through the blockchain to make sure you get your profits,
Wow.
which you trade in for exclusive services in the MDT ecosystem. And since each data point is traceable on the blockchain, data buyers can ensure they're buying good, valid data. It's a brand new approach to impartial data sharing. Control and see where your data is used, and get rewarded for it.
Damn.
MDT. Make your data work for you.
That's actually sick. Okay, use case. Measurable AI. Measurable AI is an alternative data provider that transforms transactional data into consumer insights, serving financial institutions and companies coming from Wall Street to Silicon Valley. That's sick. By scanning and identifying actual online spenders' email receipts in aggregate, measurable AI transforms them into valuable insights which updates daily right after the purchase happens. Built on top of the blockchain technology, measurable AI ensures that all data points are collected from real and active consumers. It's one of the most accurate, secure, and largest big data panel on consumer insights. That's sick. So this is kind of cool because this might change how they collect data and also distribute payment or rewards to people for, you know, the data they provide, which might make people feel a little better, at least for, you know, what they're doing on the internet and whatnot, getting their information taken. At least you're getting a little paid for it or whatnot, you know, so maybe that'd be better. I don't know, but seems like a cool idea, and it seems good for businesses. Help each other be more legit, especially if you know, having the source of the data on the blockchain verifiable is an important thing. Then cool, then that's a good use case and whatnot. So we'll see. And they have let's see here. And I think just any way that you can get paid passively, I think that's cool. So if this adds to that, even if it's by the pennies, then whatever, you know. BTX. So let's see here. Let's see what BTX Capital is. So unlocking the potential of cryptocurrencies, assets, liquidity with us. Okay. So it's a crypto investment, you know, firm or whatever. BTX Capital. Their portfolio, they have Ergo, which I know a lot of people like. I believe MYC is also invested into it. They got Anchor. I know I've heard of Anchor. Got Binance. Polkadot, Suku, Tidal. So cool. They have some big ones in their portfolio. Okay, let's see what else. I want to see something bigger though. Not just a crypto investing firm. Like the last one, they had George, and they had, you know, an actual investing firm that, like, I think invested in more than just crypto. We invest in the bold. Okay, so let's see here. Let's see the portfolio. Let's see. I haven't heard of any of these. But yeah, it's not really what I'm looking for. I mean, they could be legit. I don't know. All right, let's see here. but it's not looking like, what the kind of investors DNT has. Even though DNT only has two, it's better than what I'm seeing here. Okay, let's see here. MetaSense DAO. Yeah, see, I don't know. So this one, literally just based off the fact that I don't know if this is going to be needed. I don't know if this is actually going to be a big use case, if it's a big deal. It doesn't seem like it has really crazy investors in it like DNT does. Like District0x has Boost VC and George Berkey. They're investing in DeSci, Ocean Dynamism, robotics, and virtual reality. Like, see, this is a real VC. They're investing into an array of things like robotics, virtual reality. That's a big stuff. I don't even know what DeSci is. Invest in companies that make sci-fi a reality. So these guys are investing in some like futuristic shit, which makes perfect sense why they're investing in crypto. It's the future. So maybe they'll like be able to use District0x. I don't know. Anyway, so it's cool that these guys are invested into them. They're a real VC. And then also you have George, who's an OG, and he knows probably what he's doing, right, in crypto. And he's interested in them. So I think, you guys, DNT is the one. It's the winner for today. And I think it's another pick. Definitely up our sleeves. So do not miss this one, you guys. If you're looking for another one to invest in, definitely check out DNT. Do your own research and see if you like it. Now, here's the interesting thing. I also like Fox Shapeshift. Only a 20 million market cap. Oops, I don't know what I did there. Only a 20 million market cap. This is the crazy thing. Look at this. Measurable data token, we thought it was cheap with a 35 million market cap compared to DNT, District0x, the one that I like, which has like a 40 something, almost 50 million market cap, right? This one has even smaller, 35 million. Well, guess what? Fox has an even smaller 20 million market cap. I don't even know how this gem is a 20 million market cap. That is so ridiculously small. Every 20 million will be a 2x. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. By the time you hit 100 million, that's already a 5x. Every 100 million is a 5x all the way to a billion. That's crazy. So this one is definitely cheap. Cheaper, I think, than almost all the altcoins on Coinbase. All the microcaps on Coinbase right now. And it's also only has a 377 million circulating supply. So super scarce supply right now, with only a total of a billion supply also, just like the other two tokens that we just looked at, for some reason they all happen to be 1 billion, which is kind of funny because it's going with the Solana meme coin, number. That I think all the coins are getting released on Pump Fund are like 1 billion supply total. So it's just funny coincidence. But so yeah, it's just crazy to think that Fox 5 cents right now also in the same buy, and if this thing runs to $2 to who knows $5, $10, that would be huge gains on this one. So Fox also a very good deal, and it is a DEX, and DEXs are needed, and it's a good one, and it's ran by Eric Voorhees, who is great. Also, there's another thing that I noticed from District0x, and that is that. Here, one second. One sec. Do this really quick. There we go. There we go. All right, so if you go to District, so I noticed the people that are following District0x are the brothers already. So you got Shapeshift Fox, you got Eric Voorhees, who I was just talking. So Eric Voorhees, who started Shapeshift Fox, he's also a crypto OG. Is following District0x, and the guy who is invested in District0x just recently, George, is also a crypto OG. So the OGs be knowing what's good. They know about District0x. I think this thing's gonna fly for sure. And you got Monty from LCX. He's also following District0x. And you got Robert Mao following District0x. So you know something is going on here. A lot of the homies, people we like and already are invested in all their tokens, which is funny. Now we're investing in another one, District0x, which all these guys follow. I don't know if they're invested into it as well, but just a very cool circle there, and so I think we're on the right path. But that's all I have for today, you guys. Let me know if you like it. I'm gonna drop a tweet right now. Alrighty. Let's see here. Alright, you guys. I hope y'all have a good rest of your weekend and stuff. Thank you guys again so much. I hope you guys got some value out of this, and let's get that money. Late.